Hi there, welcome back to the ninth video Learn Excel with Karpagam. In today's video, I'm going to show you yet another interesting and informative information. Probably this is one such video which you have been looking for such a long time to make your life really simple. I'm going to demonstrate it today to you. In fact, I have planned to make a 4-part video of data validation. Today, I'm going to look into a simple data validation, and after that, I'm going to put a dynamic data validation for the forthcoming 3 videos. Let's get started. Let's say I have here a very small set of data. And each and every time I don't want to go and type the specialization of the students. Say for example, students, let's say when I talk about Joseph Newton, he has taken HR specialization, and I don't want to come and type here as a HR. And again, Rajshekhar has taken HR. Each and every time I don't want to do this operation. And not only that, when your options are plenty and it becomes a tiresome job for you to do, exactly what I can do is, let's say when I click here, you can see whatever the option that is available here, the same is available here. What I can do is I can go and click on, let's say Joseph Newton wants marketing. When I click Archana wants operations, Kirti Kumar wants HR, Peter Sam also is in need of HR, Crispo Peter needs finance, Rajshekhar needs marketing. Similarly, I can do it for each and every one of the students. I can hear that voice. I did not create any formula. I did not write any formula. I have just used one of the functionalities of Excel called as a data validation. Now I'm going to demonstrate to you how did I create this data validation using a drop-down list box. This really makes your life simple. I'm going to demonstrate to you now how did I do. Okay, let's say I have created my database here, and I have got what is the choices I have to enter here. Especially this works pretty well when your data is very monotonous and you have to repeat it with yes or no, true or false, male or female, or whenever you don't want to do this and automate this data, you can always look for. What exactly you have to do is just go and select the data till whatever extent you wanted it, and go click on something called as a data in the tab. Again, go here, look for data validation, click on data validation. It gets you, or it prompts you to a data validation dialog box. Go to this particular value area called as a allow. What is that you want Excel to do? I want Excel to list me starting from marketing till tourism here. I want a list function. Go and click on here. You find something called as a list, click OK. And again, where is that? You have asked Excel to list the data, but where is your data? You need to give instruction to Excel. Okay, type equal to symbol, and this is where the source of my data is, not from there. This is where from my source of data is. Click OK, and you can see a drop down box is created here. When I click on here, you can go and choose whichever areas you are looking for. Yes, this has really made your life simple. I can go and look for any kind of a data, and I can fill in. It gives me lots of flexibility regarding what exactly I want to do. But make sure that this works only within your selection, not outside the selection. Say for example, whether it works here, you will not be able to see the box. Whether it works here, yes, because it is within the selection range. I hope you all have enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more informative videos. See you all soon. Bye.